other footprints. Looks like two people, big feet, were walking through here. I mean, well, anybody has big feet compared to my feet, so. But my little, hey, focus, hut. Can you see that? Yeah, focus, you guys. Yeah, that's a. Eye out in case they come back this way. And the dogs have to dip into the woods. Yeah, see, here's some more of these like huge strides too. Like, are they fucking running? Like, that's crazy. Being good boys. Yeah, you guys are good boys. I think going on this little video adventure is kind of good for my self-esteem. I don't know, I think I'm going through a midlife crisis. Just starting to feel older and look older, and I'm like totally okay with it, and I really don't think I've ever felt more confident in myself. I've had some self-esteem issues for most of my life. I just feel like more fit and healthier than ever, even though I'm not like skinny or nothing. I'm not like fat either, but I kind of am fat actually. But yeah, really, I don't care about any of that anymore. And, you know, another thing is that I hated my voice so much, and I know that's a thing where like everybody hates their voice, but oh my god, I can't even believe that I uploaded anything where my voice was heard. Now granted, I am the editor, so I can pick what I show, which is nice. That's a lot of, you know, creative freedom, and, you know, I can obviously just pick out the things that I want to share and hide all the things that I don't. It's not like, I don't know, I don't even know what I'm trying to do. What? I'm not running through that crap with you guys. Yeah, I think I need to keep a journal or something of all the things that I've talked about, so that I can like review it before I come out and then try to like elaborate, you know, like a continuing story. Try to give some kind of order to what's going out. Like, I don't know why I feel like I need any kind of order. I really don't know what I'm trying to do anyway. No, I just uploaded the video of me trying out the smartphone stabilizer for the first time. I laughed hysterically at myself. So, I don't know, I thought maybe, like, if it makes me laugh, maybe it'll make somebody else laugh. And laughter is the best medicine. I think we all need a little bit more laughter in our lives. And not everybody shares the same sense of humor. I think I'm a lot more like chill and relaxed than a lot of people. I just feel like I'm on a lower, like, more chill vibe, and there's people who are like, wee, wee, wee. And sometimes that's really exciting, but you guys, focus. Yeah, sometimes that's really exciting. Not all the time. I used to be quite the social butterfly. Yeah, not anymore. Yeah, nothing exciting happens in my life.